guitar, B, yeah. Down the familiar street, carried by the breeze, your traces still surround and comfort me. Even when I say I've let you go, it spreads in my breath. The season of you has never truly ended. Even when I act like I'm fine, the you inside me never fades away. Why is love so cruel to me? The more I reach, the farther you drift. I try to hold on, stretching out both hands, but only empty air comes back to me. Days without you feel so strange. I miss the smile I once knew. Why does love keep hurting me? This season of you I cannot make. In the passing seasons, my trembling heart still follows every step that once was yours. I try to forget, but the tears come fast. A world without you holds no meaning. Why is love so cruel to me? The more I reach, the farther you drift. I try to hold on, stretching out both hands, but only empty air comes back to me. Days without you feel so strange. I miss the smile I once knew. Why does love keep hurting me? The season of you I cannot make. Maybe under the very same sky, you still remember me, living on somehow, leaning on memories, fragile but true. Tonight again I'm calling out for you. Why is love so cruel to me? The more I let go, the deeper it stays. I try to forget, but it's always you inside my heart. You'll never fade away. Even when I'm trapped in time, my soul keeps reaching out to you. Why does love keep hurting me? This season of you I cannot erase. Season never disappear. Only your name remains here. Yeah, the place you left behind still feels so warm. Yeah, your familiar scent wraps me in its form. On the chair where you once used to sit, I can still see shadows that won't quit. Even without a word, I hear you near. Your laughter keeps ringing in my ear, as if time itself has come to rest. I call your name, but there's no answer left. Your name lingers on my lips tonight. I hold the fear of losing sight. If I follow the trace of your faded tone, feels like I'll find you not alone. Your gaze remains still clear inside, endlessly growing, it will not hide. You are every moment in my day, loving me that will never fade. On a rainy night we walked that street, our footprints blurred beneath our feet. The lamplight frozen where we stood still shines as if it always could. You held my trembling heart so tight, your voice still echoes in my mind tonight. Even far away you'll never fade, your lips that your heart was there. Now I finally know you care. Even far away, you never die. You are my everyday. Your name lingers on my lips tonight. I hold the fear of losing sight. If I follow the trace of your fading tone, feels like I'll find you not alone. Your gaze remains still clear inside, endlessly growing and will not hide. You are every moment in my day. Even as the years keep passing by, your trace stays vivid in my life. Every single moment you have given me, live forever, endlessly. Your name lingers on my lips tonight. I hold the fear of losing sight. If I follow the trace of your fading tone, feels like I'll find you not alone. Your gaze remains still clear inside, endlessly growing and will not hide. You are every moment in my day. Where you remain, you're still alive in me. Na-na-na. Na-na-na-da-da-da-da. Taxi lights were flashing down your street. I froze in place, no goodbye to speak. By the time I turned, you were far away. I stayed behind with nothing left to say. Words I held back are stuck in my throat. Alone on the sidewalk with no one to hold. I say I'm fine, but we both know that's wrong. Without you here, the nights feel too